Welcome to Unit 5A here at the Havens in Four Seasons, Missouri. This is a rare opportunity here at the Havens. This is a top floor unit on the end. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, including 2 en-suites. You have your primary, which is Lakeside, and then your ensuite here on the roadside. Includes a 14 by 40 belt slip and a garage. The furnishings that you see will convey with the sale, and the view is one that you cannot beat. For more information on this property, please call Krantz Associates, Remax Lake of the Ozarks, 573-302-2355.